it's time to learn how you can double your Thieves dishwashing powder. Again, I saved my bag to use again, but when we double this, you can always just use a mason jar. So start off by maybe just dividing your powder in half. And this is, I put a sticker so I know which is which. This one's already made. Kind of looks like that. And this one I'm going to make it. So this is the non-diluted. Looks like this. They come with a cute little cap. One way you can stretch this is maybe use a little less. But what I like to do is just add, so simple, a cup baking soda and about a cup, a little less of citric acid. And this is the great thing. The citric acid helps with the cloudiness or spots that some people are a residue. Now look at, this is nice and clear, came out of the dishwasher this morning. It does work. So I have half my bag. I'm gonna put baking soda and about a cup of citric acid. You could always use that for, I got mine on Amazon. If you like to make bath bombs. And just mix it up and then use as normal.